Hi dear customers, this is Casey speaking again. So now let me explain to you this machine's advantage continue. So the disadvantage for this machine is this machine can make the single center core and the double center core. If you just want to make the single center core for this machine, and I mean if you just made the zipper bag, so no need to make the double center core, and you want to save the cost, so we can make the machine for you without about double center core parts, without, okay, and then also without these parts also without. The ear stand, the ear frame will be set up here, set up this side and go to inside directory. From here directory to be downside, then you can make the single center core, okay. And the seventh advantage for this machine is you can set up TPM easily by the display, okay. You can on the program. What does it mean for TPM? For example, now for this one, you can see the space for this one. Let me loosen， 放松，再放松，不是把它碾松。So you can see， 碾松，这个是紧的，把它放松。So you can see after loosen, here has one point. Here has one point, right? So between these 2 points, if you want to make this center core more strong, the strength more strong and more tightly, then you can like this. 拧紧它，现在放紧，对。For example, you can make more strong. Then you can shorter this point and point distance by display, okay. Then you can make the TPM. And customers say even the center core result is very strong, similar the double center core function already if made by this newest model machine. So this is the very good advantage for this machine. And the eighth advantage is for this machine, different size can be used by one set machine, can be made by one set machine. Let me explain to you in next video.